Let's start with an interesting point. People might complain that OpenAI's O1 model performs poorly, but the issue might not lie with the model itself, but rather with how we use it. That today's content comes from an analysis on the Latent Space blog, exploring why O1 shouldn't be treated as a chat model, and how to properly leverage its value. O1 is actually more like a report generator than a chat assistant. This shift in perception might completely change how we use O1 and its effectiveness. The monthly subscription fee of $200 is indeed quite high, but if it can replace some of the working hours of human engineers, this investment might be worth it. Let's delve into how to properly use O1. The most crucial point is to fundamentally change the way we provide prompts. Rather than writing prompts, we need to draft a complete brief. This means we need to provide at least 10 times more context than usual, allowing O1 to fully understand the background and requirements of the problem. Give a specific example. When you ask O1 an engineering question, do not simply describe the issue, but instead provide a comprehensive background explanation. First, detail the solutions you have already tried and why these solutions did not work. Second, provide the complete database structure, including relationships between tables, etc. Finally, explain the company's technical architecture background and the definitions of relevant technical terms to ensure O1 understands your question in the correct context. This detailed way of providing information may seem cumbersome, but it is key to leveraging the powerful capabilities of O1.to make this process more convenient. Here is a very practical tip. Use voice memos. You can spend 1 to 2 minutes verbally explaining the complete problem background, just as you would to a colleague. This approach not only helps you organize your thoughts more naturally, but also ensures that no important information is missed. Afterwards, you can transcribe this voice memo into text as input to O1. This method is particularly suitable for complex problems that require a lot of contextual information. Secondly, focus on the goal rather than the method. Instead of telling O1 how to complete a task, clearly state what kind of output you want. Let O1 plan and solve the steps on its own, which is where its autonomous reasoning ability lies. Each question should focus on a specific output goal. Let's take a look at the strengths of O1. First, O1 has powerful on-time generation capabilities, allowing it to output multiple complete files simultaneously, which is particularly useful when handling large projects. Second, compared to other models, O1 has a significantly lower probability of hallucinations, meaning the information it provides is more reliable and accurate. Additionally, O1 excels at explaining complex concepts, transforming obscure and difficult content into clear and understandable explanations. Finally, O1 possesses excellent evaluation capabilities, enabling it to conduct in-depth analysis of problems and provide comprehensive evaluation reports. However, O1 also has some obvious limitations in terms of writing style. O1 tends to adopt a formal academic or corporate report style, which makes it perform poorly in scenes requiring specific writing styles. Although O1 can generate high-quality code snippets, it cannot independently build a complete application, a point that developers need to pay special attention to. Another notable issue is the response delay, where users typically need to wait about 5 minutes to get a reply, which is quite different from the traditional instant chat experience that at the same time when using O1 on ChatGPT's interface. Users may encounter various bugs, and these technical issues can sometimes affect the user experience. Speaking of latency issues, this has profoundly changed the entire user interaction pattern. Rather than being a drawback, it prompts us to rethink the way we interact with AI. This high latency characteristic makes using O1 more like sending an email rather than engaging in instant messaging. This unique usage pattern also brings new demands for interface design. To better adapt to this interaction method, we need some innovative interface design elements. For example, add a mini table of contents for lengthy responses to help users quickly locate information. Improve the hierarchical structure navigation of the content, making it easier for users to find the required information in long replies. At the same time, optimize the management and display of context to ensure users can clearly track the flow of the entire conversation. These improvements will significantly enhance the user experience, allowing users to more effectively utilize the powerful features of O1. Overall, O1 represents a new direction in AI applications. It is not intended to replace everyday chat assistants, but rather to handle tasks that require deep thinking and long-running processes. Understanding this and adjusting the usage accordingly is key to truly unlocking the value of O1.